and nobody knew that I was wearing a wig. Have you ever found something so perfect that you had to order 2 of just to be on the safe side? I have, and it's this wig from Purple Scarf Wigs. Now, I did not order 2 of this wig. I ordered this wig, and then I ordered a second wig, which I'm about ready to show you. But I am so excited to show you guys this second wig. If you have not watched the review on this wig, please watch it. It's right there, and I will link it in the description below and at the end screen. I'm about ready to show you the second wig that I ordered from Purple Scarf Wigs. I opened the package, realized it was from Purple Scarf Wigs, and then I just kind of like closed it. So I don't know what the little doodads are. I don't know what the little note says. Oh, spoiler alert, there's usually a little note. Right now I'm about to show you my first reaction to my second wig from Purple Scarf Wigs. And this is it. Last time I kind of like disintegrated the bag. This time I did not disintegrate the bag. So let's open this up and see what is in here. Purple Scarf Wigs, my newest wig. Now this wig is in the same style as you probably saw above, but it has more of like a burgundy sort of color. So I just want to see like how, I mean, yes, I opened it, but I didn't really look at it. So let's check out how the color looks compared to the picture, what it looks like on. I'll cut the lace. I'll show you everything. So here we go. I'm kind of excited because like I said, like I opened it, but that's it. Oh, purple. Purple Scarf Wigs. Okay, so we open this up. And it's purple. Very cute. Hang on a second. Hey, I got it. Don't worry. I don't know what the heck. So there's a cute little insert, which I'm... Okay, and here is the wig. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to see what it looks like. Like I said, I love this wig. It was awesome. Okay, so we have the little... That's nice. Padding. And of course, obviously, it comes out of the black deal. And oh my gosh, you guys, look at this beautiful color. It is so gorgeous. What a pretty color of like almost magenta. Let me show you guys how the lace looks. It goes all the way down at the center right here. Now, the lace is just in one parted area, just like the last one, and that is not my favorite, but I love the quality of this hair, and I love how it flows. I love the density, so I will look past that. We have the clips sewn in right here, so this is the inside. There's your part. It goes nice and deep. And, you know, you can put your part wherever you want your part. Over here, over here, over here. Because I love this wig. It is so natural looking. And as I've said before, I love the density. It's not so thick. It just looks poofy. And it's not so thin. You're like, where did all the hair go? You know, and you can't do anything with it. I mean, I was able to put these in braids. I could clip this back. The density is great in the first wig that I got. This is what the wig looks like on a mannequin head. Let me bring it back for you and then just kind of show you the length. And then as we bring it forward, you can see there's the lace. And then there's the parting, which the parting is beautiful. I mean, no matter what your skin tone is, just put a little bit of foundation of your own skin tone's color over the parting. You will be very satisfied. That is a nice part right there. Alright, and I will be right back with the lace cut off and it on my head so you can see what it looks like. And this is the second wig that I ordered. I really like it. I think it's so pretty. I really, really love it. So this is my second wig I ordered. Absolutely love it. It has like all the cute little baby hairs and everything like that. let's check out what the packaging has in it. Ah, my favorite. First, we'll just look at it. I see a note in there, and I have not opened this at all, so I'm so excited to open it and see what the note says. So we have the business card, a little red ponytail holder. Oh, my total favorite. Hang on. Thank you, Miss Purple. Oh, I love these little. My favorite. Hang on, you can't see it, but it's my favorite. Little butterfly clips. I love these little. Oh, I dropped them. Sorry. I'll pick them up. Don't worry. Cute little butterfly clips, like 4 of them. And then I got a little. Oh, good, like a little wig cap. I know this is totally so silly, but I was saving this for the last because the last is the best part. It's my note. Okay, my note says, "Hey Angela, I hope you are well. And if you have any questions, please let me know. Judy," with a little smiley face. So freaking cute. And so personal. Thank you, Judy. I'm wearing your wig right now. You sent this to me, and I'm wearing it. So this is my second wig from Purple Scarf Wigs. I really like it. It feels so nice. It's the perfect density. It doesn't feel too dense. It doesn't feel not dense enough. Let me show you the back. Let me know in the comments below what you think. And I will leave a link below to Judy's Purple Scarf Wigs. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure, if you did get value out of this video, like, I mean, if you're at the end, you clearly got some kind of value, like entertainment. Be sure to subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button to help the YouTube algorithm push this video out to other people who also might enjoy this type of content. Thank you so much for watching and have a fantastic day. Love you. It's like a heart, and then it's like this, and then it's like that.